Ashima. She has went through a lot of challenges in the family. Her mother recently passed away, but she's with us, standing like a rock, ready to support FIA for the good cause. Ashima.
Thank you so much, Dr. Kamal Patel and his wife. Such a wonderful hospitality. My mom passed away 2.5 months ago, and as everyone, parents teaches their kids good stuff. जो एक शिक्षा होती है जो अपने parents अपने बच्चों को देते हैं. My mom always, so I used to make phone calls to my mom every day. One thing she used to tell me, she's taught me no matter what mood are you in, mood kharab hai, acha hai, never forget to treat people good. Always be kind to people, no matter what. And I practiced that. Another thing she told me, no matter what, to be grateful. Whatever situation. So I met with Mr. Shah 1.5 years ago. With that consistency and the खूबसूरत जो gift होता है life में वो होता है you are surrounded with people, खूबसूरत people inside and out, because it gives you a healthy life. And this is what I felt with FIA. I apologize, my sincere apologies. I never met few people ever, but whenever I go on WhatsApp and I read my messages in the night time, I see people who are so actively participated and the stuff that they're giving back in the community, representing India, Indian culture, good human values, then I feel so blessed and honored to be a part of it. It's just not the words. I'm genuinely telling everybody that how proud I feel to be a part of FIA. Mr. Sunil Shah and his wife, consistency to love me all the time. Every time I call, I apologize, I'm not able to attend the event. But just तरह से उनका the moment I found out about my mom's news, I called Mr. Shah. I was in parking lot and I was praying to God कि I wish ये fake news हो, I wish मम्मी की कुछ सांसें हो, शायद वो वापस आ जाए. I called Mr. Shah that my mom passed away. I found this news. Mr. Shah, within 10 minutes, he came to the parking lot. I was in Chul parking lot. He came, and the way, I don't have any family member here, but now after meeting with FIA, I feel like, because sometimes when you don't have blood relationships, some people come into your life and add value. And I feel with FIA, and truly, I'm so thankful. Har cheez ke liye, thank you so much.
Thanksgiving, food donation to food pantry, just like every other year we do for seniors and children's, we'll continue to do, and that is our focus as a FIA now, to do the charitable cause free health fair along with our other cultural activities, and hopefully we can continue to do that. So thank you all for all your help. And today is again, there is no serious agenda. Just enjoy, have drinks, food and fun, and just mingling and enjoy each other's company. So I'm so honored to have you all. Thank you very much. I will pass it to Sunil.
Good job done. Guys, give a round of applause to this couple. Very beautifully they arranged today's event. And so far we all had a great time. And thank you, Kamal Patel, for outlining the details of our 2021 year, beginning with all the events we did. And in spite of pandemic, we did very well. Recently, we had a very good fundraiser with Celebration of Life, with Festival of Colors. And today is kind of a kick-off party for our August event. August 13th, we are planning to celebrate our country, India's Independence Day at Marriott in Hoffman Estate on August 13th. And on August 14th, is Anuja here?
No, she left.
Anuja left, okay. August 14th, we are planning to celebrate India's Independence Day with flag hoisting at Veranda and with Veranda. So we'd like to invite all of you on August 13th and August 14th. Please mark both the dates. Please save the dates. Our advisory board members, they are the backbone of our team, and also initially would like to invite our new advisory board member. May I please request Sanita Agnihotri to come forward. Sanita is joining us as our FI advisory board member. She has been our friend since a very long time. Sanita is a business entrepreneur, has a very nice property Radisson in Schaumburg. Sanita is a past president of other FIA, and we are so glad and so proud of Sanita, and we welcome you in FIA family. We like to have a few words from her.
थैंक यू सुनील भाई, डॉक्टर कमल पटेल और जितने भी दोस्त हैं, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर इनवाइटिंग मी एंड एक्सेप्टिंग मी एज ए member of FIA. I've been serving this, not this FIA, the other FIA for almost 20 years, and now I found a better FIA, and I'm glad and thank you so much for accepting me. And thank you. I always been like asking him, I want to join your FIA, Sunil Bhai, and he said, you are like my sister, you are always welcome. You are actually part of this FIA. And finally, this is the day he said, okay, finally you are coming and join our FIA. So now it's my FIA, and I'm so happy to see all these faces. Some are old friends, some are new friends, and I'm sure that I'm going to have best time of my life. Thank you so much. So I'm joining FIA, and my husband is coming with me.
Sanita, this deal is always welcome. Buy one and get one free. We love that.
And I'm really thankful, grateful, and I don't know, I have no words to say that how happy I am. Thank you.
And we are happy as well.
Oh, thank you.
Take us by surprise to say something, but I think for FIA, we can always say something. But before I say something about FIA, I would like to say for the host, Kamalji, and I forget the name of your Shayaji.
Kamal ki Shaya.
Thank you very much for putting this event together, giving us the opportunity to meet each and every one of us after such a long time. And I think this is a good beginning of the celebration of end of COVID.
Yes.
And thank you very much for giving this opportunity to us. About FIA. FIA, Federation of Indian Associations. And I think this FIA is a really true federation of Indian associations. It has done a lot for our community. It has done a lot for us to bring various thought processes together under one umbrella, and giving us the opportunity to maintain and celebrate our Indian heritage. 26th January Republic Day, they celebrate. We remember. 15th of August, our Independence Day, they celebrate. We remember again. Whatever other holy function, various other functions, they celebrate, and that makes us remember those old days back home in India. That keeps us, our memories, very clear and very, very vividly clear in our mind what our heritage is. And to keep that heritage going, and to transmit that to our next generation, that is very unique, a very important cause for our generation, for any generation, for a civilization, for a country, for a culture to continue to progress, to continue to exist. If we do not celebrate these things, what will happen? Little later, our kids will forget. We all will forget. Nobody will remember. And our cultural heritage will be gone. And that credit goes to FIA, that they are maintaining that tradition to celebrate, to keep it alive, in our lives, in our minds. And that credit goes to the FIA management, the founder presidents, Sunil Shah, and my good friend, Tarvinder Sangha. Is he here or is he gone? Sangha ji. Credit goes to these two people who actually really founded this organization, that we are really today together enjoying and celebrating together. I heard a lot of people say, oh, long time we didn't see. Thank God it's end of COVID. But it's not only end of COVID. Somebody gave us a reason. Somebody gave us the opportunity to get together. That is the host family, and that's the FIA organization. That we could see each other and refresh ourselves. As we say, human beings are also social animals. We need to get together, otherwise we go crazy. So today was that moment when we could start revive our sentiments, our feelings again, share with each one of us. And my special thanks go today to the host family and to the FIA organization. I have mentioned Sunil Shah and Tarvinder Sangha, but let me not forget about the whole executive team of FIA that does so much hard work to make these things happen. When we come to these events, they look very simple for us. ठीक है भाई, गाना बजाना हो गया, मजा हो गया, बड़ा मजा आ गया, ठीक है. But how much hard work goes behind this? How much effort goes? How much time, personal time, is spent to organize these things? That I'm sure I cannot devote that much time. My hats off to the president and to the team and to the founder president, both presidents, to keep that going and dedicating and spending their time and they're spending their energy and take that time away from their own families and give it to the organization. That not everyone can do. My hats off to you guys. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity to us. God bless you. God bless the organization. All the best.
I would say, first of all, FIA is not an association but a family, and I am also very proud to be a member of this family. Second thing, I compliment not only President and the Chairman but all the members of FIA, because you guys have been doing very great job, social and cultural activities, what you have been doing in the promotion of our interest of our community, and for that I want to compliment you. Third thing about with Kamal Bhai coming into the limelight now, the concept of Hindu Trinity is fulfilled in this association. FIA itself is a creation which symbolizes Brahmaji. Kamal is a symbol of Lord Vishnu, and Sunil is the name of Shivji. I think with this Trinity fulfilled, FIA should be able to do much more effective and many more activities in future. And I wish all the best to all of you.
It gives me a great pleasure and a distinct honor to be able to join this wonderful FIA fraternity this evening to celebrate Federation of Indian Associations, its remarkable journey of 12 years under the leadership of Mr. Sunil Shah. This evening, let me first acknowledge President Dr. Kamal Patel and Chaya for hosting such a wonderful reception. And let's call it as a wonderful presidential reception. Let's have a round of applause for Kamal and Chaya. And truly, I think this is a marvelous event. That as a presidential reception, I think you truly put your right foot forward in hosting one of the outstanding events this evening. Thank you, Kamal. That being said, and I'd like to now, of course, thank my dear friend Sunil Shah, who created a roadmap for a Federation of Indian Associations. I've been a part of his, I've been a humble part of the journey of Federation of Indian Associations. And he's been hosting nothing but a blockbuster events. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for these blockbuster events. This man really knows how to throw marvelous events. And each event has attracted nothing but a huge, large attendance of people from all across sections of the community. And I think he's truly a great visionary. And I think under his visionary leadership and his preeminent leadership and vision and a passion, of course, more importantly, that FI is able to embark on this journey, crossing milestones after milestones. And as Raja Krishnamurti said the other day at the holy event, Federation of Indian Associations is truly a federation of intellectual associations or a federation of inspiring Indian associations. I think this evening I can see that there's a conglomeration of such wonderful people. As Sunil Shah said, this is truly the cream of the community. And we are truly fortunate to be part of this wonderful journey of Federation of Indian Associations. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Sunil Shah, Dr. Kamal Patel and the rest of the FI fraternity. Thank you.
You're a wonderful host, Chayaji. Thank you very much inviting us all. And we just came from this COVID era, and it's clear. We are very glad to see you, everyone here. The one thing I want to say about FI and Sunil Saji, Sunilji is doing very good job. I think people need platform where they can meet and talk and together. So I think we have only one platform right now, which is FI under the leadership of Sunil Bhai, doing great job. Keep it continuous, bro. We are with you. That's it. Thank you very much. Thank you, Kamal.
Thank you, Kamalji and Chayaji, for inviting me and all the FI members, the FI family. And thanks to Sunilji making me part of this FI family. FI doing the wonderful events and everything. And I hear some new FI and old FI, but I think under the Sunil Bhai's FIA, I didn't hear anything. Only I hear in Chicago is the FIA, so events, whether charity events or any holy or any, right. So they're doing everything good, and Kamalji, he hosted so many, even with the COVID situation. So he didn't. He continued the formal, and he's doing all the events continuously. And whenever need USA or back in India, you guys are doing wonderful jobs, like sending the oxygen concentrators or anything in a timely manner. It saves a lot of lives. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for making me part of it.
Thank you.
Out of a little bit of a after effect of COVID. It's really heartwarming to see everybody after a year. Last year was very challenging for a lot of us. Personally, my husband had a few issues, and thank God he's recovered. Lost 70 pounds, I'm really mighty glad of that, but anyway, talking about FIA, a few years ago, Sunil Bhai and I met. We've known each other from the Jain Temple and other Gujarati associations, and never knew what this was all about. Of course, I was born in Kenya, Dadi came from India, brought up in London, married the crazy man over there 41 years ago and came to America and didn't know a soul here. So this is exactly what I needed. But back then, I was a young mother and entrepreneur and too busy to connect with the dots, so the business was going great, but my social life was suffering. And soon I realized that we need to connect. We need to connect with our own. Whether you like bhakri or rotli or thepla, whatever it is, we need to connect. So, this is a perfect organization to come together. I mean, here we've got people from all different states of India. Association, we're 80,000 worldwide. It's a small community near Jamnagar, Gujarat. And we've had a lot of tragedy in our community. And Unfortunately, there hasn't been the support forthcoming, but as just one soul from America, I'm supporting 8 young girls who have lost their parents in India. I've married one of them already. She's got a nice husband, thank goodness. But you know, somewhere we have to help and do something. Whether it's financially, giving somebody a hug, or whether it's whatever it takes. And I think right here in Chicago, it's heartwarming to see so many lovely people come together from different backgrounds, different businesses, different, intellect. And Sunil Bhai, thank you so much.
Mr. Omkar Sangha, and I'm fortunate to be a part of this organization, and only in this organization I could join hands and make a little contribution to our community and not only preserve the heritage of our country but also contribute and make a difference in the community. Thank you all once again, and a huge thank you to Kamalji and Chaya for hosting this, and your warm hospitality has touched our hearts. Thank you so much.
We're really proud to have you here, and thank you.
This place, I'm missing Mama. This place upstairs, I'm missing Papa. That's a vacuum can never be filled. I've spent so many evenings, afternoons with them, and our journey started almost more than 2 decades ago, and that was on that couch itself with Papa. I would like to tell you, you guys are talking about the celebrations of 15th of August on coming months. Kamal's Papa, Atmaji, he has been a freedom fighter. He lost his vision also, and he was in jail. So first time, somebody informed me it was not even Kamal. The year Sunil Dutt's son and Madhuri Dixit came to Navy Pier, straight away I came from there and I talked to Uncle. So I am their adopted daughter, and this is my own home. I have seen everyone growing. And Kamal, any organization, Sunil, when you started, I know how the journey was, but you are carrying your torch. That is very important, and taking everybody together, in all the organizations, dukh mein, sukh mein. I heard your story, it's very emotional. We are family to each other, and Family Indian Association is FIA, I think. Carry on. That is